Yes, sir.
Yes, I. Massive rhythm there.
Yeah, man.
I mean, it's a lovely day.
Yeah.
We're here at Raskaya's place.
Yeah.
Yet to TV representing straight up.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Living Harbour is the
Yes,
theme for today. We're living a harbour life.
Ital vibes.
Ital vibes.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
The love and respect of Mama Nature.
Mother Earth.
Rasta, we are inspired by nature. Dreadlock and non-dreadlock, Rasta live means real livity.
Yes,
so we chat
sir.
about the real livity. Ainya Benji come to represent in a Kaya yard.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I
Yes,
say
sir.
blessed love.
Blessed.
All the time. Blessed.
Yes, sir.
For all the people all the time, you know.
Yes,
we have to
sir.
talk about these things because
Yeah,
this is
man.
Mother Earth.
Yeah, man.
This is nature. This is the life we're living. Livity.
Yeah.
We're living harborly.
Yeah,
Each
man.
one, each one.
Yeah, man.
Each one,
Organically.
Each one guide and defend one. Oh,
Yes,
one
I.
for one. I will say team.
Yeah, man.
Together everyone gonna achieve more as a team.
Team.
Yes,
Let's work
and
as
let
a
them
team.
know what the herbal medicines can bring.
Yeah.
And
Reality.
then let them know what the herbal medicines them are.
Let me talk about the
Be-
herbal medicine.
Yeah, man.
It has no side effect. It's a herb, it's not a drug. Created by the Almighty, not by the reason of the mankind. So we have to respect nature. For the Bible says, Genesis
Yes, sir.
1:29, behold,
Yes, sir.
lands bearing fruits and seeds for the good of mankind. Let's be your food and medicine. Stay ital.
Yes, sir.
Ital, green, thing, this. Thursday, Kaya.
Organic.
About this.
Yeah, man.
Organic.
Yeah,
That's
man.
why you have to live harborly, you
Yes,
know.
sir.
Yeah, man.
Organic.